tell them after they woke you up to make those demands of you that night?
I agreed to everything they demanded.
You agreed to defer your university admission in your final year? You agreed to close your bank accounts and give Chineye all the money in it? You agreed to hand over your laptop, your car, and your phones to them? Amarachi, after all they did to you and your late parents, you agreed to hand over your password to Chineye that gave her the access and control to log you out of your social media platforms. What went wrong, Amarachi? Were you under a spell?
I was abandoned. Everybody abandoned me, including your father. They were all scared of my uncle. Everybody left me at their mercy. Even the spirits of my parents and brother. What would you have had me do? Commit suicide?
No. You're not going to kill yourself for them. Don't even think it, right? Don't even think about it. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry for my father's failure to stand by you when you needed him most. I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry for all that happened. I'm also sorry for not reaching you for almost 6 months. Right? I'm sorry.
I'm frustrated. Ibuka, I am traumatized. Life is so mean. And Uncle Ogochi and Chineye are making it unbearable for me. I don't even know what to do. You know, sometimes I try to muster courage to fight back. Even when they physically assault me. I say to myself that I would definitely fight back, but at the end, I go back on my knees begging them. I don't know what is going on.
It's okay. It's okay, I totally understand, right? I know your uncle. I know that evil man can go any length to have his way. And I'm sure that Buffon and Chineye must have done something beyond the extraordinary to you. I'm so sorry about it. But just note that I'm here for you. Whatever that has happened, let it trash it out. I'll stand with you. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'll stand with you till you prevail against them. Okay? Don't worry yourself. I'm so sorry for everything. Right? Sorry. 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 Stop crying. Let's go. Let's go to the stream and fetch water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get him off my niece's life. But it's Ugoji. I say it again. Get your lousy son off my family affairs. I will not want him again. It's not as if I don't know what to do to him. I'm going to him and me. And if you think I am issuing an empty threat, watch out for this. No matter how little a deity is, it is never lifted with one hand. Look at it. This is called Igogo Rimori. It is a very deadly and very powerful charm from the land of Ijebu. From Ijebu Igbo to Ijebu Ode, Ijebu Ode to Ijebu Ona. If I tell you what I went through to acquire and possess this, you will block your ears with stones. And I did not go through such horror for fun. Neither did I come back to this Acha village to give chance to straight dogs like your son to ride me and leave. Warn your son. Warn your son before you bury him. Shut up. Don't talk to me. Talk to your son. Talk to him. Talk to him before I unleash the wrath of Igugbo on him. Warn him seriously because I will not come here to warn you again.
Oguchi, please.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Talk to your son. Igugbo is not a friendly charm. It kills first and asks questions later. And ask questions later.
Ebuka, where are you? Come back to this house right now. I said come back to this house right now. I said don't dare question me or defy me on this one. Ebuka, I said come back to this house. I will make you fatherless. I mean every word of it. I mean it. This boy is trying to turn me into a prima ballerina material. But I will not give him time to hurt me. I will not. Oguchi is a dangerous and a desperate man. He will waste you if you don't stop. Yes.
Father, a man must die for something. And yes, if a man must die before his time, it is better to die for something honorable that he believes in. I, Ebuka Ugoji, I believe in justice and fairness. I believe in true friendship. I believe in confronting evil to defeat evil. And what I'm doing in Amarachi's case is called defending justice. It is called having compassion. It is called honoring friendship. It is called confronting evil to stop it. Fear. Fear has no room in such things.
Ebuka, you are my only child. The frustrations and humiliations that I suffered before I met you.
Hey, Father, please. Stop it. Please. You need to try other things. Because whatever thing you're saying now has no effect on me.
I'll tell you. What are you really bad in this village? To commit suicide and return me to the trauma of childlessness again? Ebuka, I am important. You are my only child. Yes, you are my only child.
With this, you've lost it. You just poured gasoline into a raging fire.
Come back here. Have you been sleeping with that girl?
Look into my face and answer me. Have you been sleeping with that girl?
Father, I've never been disappointed in anyone as I am with you at the moment.
Ebuka! Ebuka, come back here! Ebuka! Ebuka, come back here! I am talking to you!
By the time I left his compound, he was already dead in his fear. In fact, I saw him going to every length possible to stop Ebuka from further disturbing our peace.
All this round and round stuff you keep threatening him and his father is not exciting me anymore. Use your child to kill or spiritually drive him away from Amarachi. Is it until he moves from having pity on her to falling in love with her before you understand the threat he poses. Kill him now.
You have a point.
How dare you?
That's him.
Mr. Gucci! Mr. Gucci! Leave me alone! Mr. Gucci!
I'm no one talking to you, Ebuka.
Mr. Gucci! What happened to my car?
I am Ebuka. Ebuka.
What are you talking?
Hey, shut up!
Okay, Merabi.
How dare you step into my father's compound to pull that stunt that you pulled today? How dare you harass my father like that, you coward?
Eh?
I am not complaining.
What did you just call me?
A dirty, drooling coward. That is who you are.
Barrister, take him out of my compound now before I send him to his early grave with my Igbo limon.
I will do just that.
Ebuka,
Stop this! I don't.
But I
This
live
is not how we arrest.
Hey!
No. This is not how you arrest. This is not how you arrest. This is not how you arrest. This is not how you
Allow me.
This is quite.
How dare you?
Come closer. Hey, Ebwongi. Get up.
Are you mad? No, I will finish your uncle today.
I am begging you.
I will finish your uncle today.
Please.
I
I don't want you to do that for your begging.
Wage. Mmemegaro. Idiot. Igo ye buki.
One night I want to get No. I can finish it today. No, I will not stop.
This is not how I arrest you. This is not how I arrest you. Stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense at once. Don't put the laws into it. Don't put laws into it.
I begged you to stop.
Hey, babe, please.
Now I want the two of you to get out of this compound.
Put on your clothes.
Get out, you two! Get out!
Button up, let's go.
If you don't leave here before the count of 10, I will bury this knife in my tummy. Get out!
Let's go. Ebuka, let's go.
Get out!
Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go. Listen a minute. I don't like it. Go home. Let's go home.
Have no family. It's upside down. No one to care, no one to share. I have no one to love. What is happening? My life is upside down.
Hey. Hey.
Sorry.
This boy, even when I do be, very wicked boy.
You should be grateful he did not tear your lips.
But my teeth are shaking.
Hey, sorry.
Even this one. Isn't it easy? Or check Ekosukumeze no. Ah, Ebuka, your days are not bad. Oh, this Sherry like here. It will never be well with you. You will die before your time. Ebuka. Oh, this Sherry will die for you. You can just imagine. Eh?
Baby.
Eh?
Look, this is not the time to swear and do nothing. You have to do something. You have to do something. Because we cannot be oddly disgraced like this. The people of our community must not see that this boy came here, humiliated you, and they still see him leave. No. It will be a very big insult. We will have no respect though. Even Egede, the village drunk, will have more respect than you. Kill him now.
Even Egede?
Yes.
Hi. Ebuka. Orúkọ oṣù kìíní. Orúkọ oṣù kìíní. Furumọkú. Orúkọ oṣù kejì. Agbamọ ìgbàmọ ẹni. Orúkọ oṣù kẹta. Obìnrin ò ṣe fi níhàn nílé ayé. Tọ́wọ́ bá fẹ́ bẹyẹlé, ẹyẹlé á fò lọ rere. Tọ́wọ́ bá fẹ́ bàdàbà, àdàbà á fò lọ rẹ̀rẹ̀. Tí wọ́n wo ti ẹ dìyẹ. Ìrìkísí ni ò jẹ́ kẹ́ dìyẹ fò. Ìwọ wá fẹ́ ṣọ́ra rẹ, Ebuka. Wá fẹ́ ṣọ́ra rẹ. Ebuka, you are dead. You are as good as dead. Wherever you are now, in fact, in Mola Mo. You go Mori. You go Mori. You go Mori. Emit the black evil smoke and go after Ebuka wherever he is and kill him. Let him drop dead. Now! Now! Hey! No! No, 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 no. No, now!
Baby.
Huh?
What is it?
Oh, what is this? Huh? Ebuka is already in love with Amarachi. Yes, he is. Even though he has not realized it.
Hey!
Ha!
No. No. Oh, baby, you have to do something. You can't let that happen. Listen, if you have been looking for a reason to kill him before, this is it. Kill him now.
You know. I cannot kill him. I cannot kill him. I cannot.
I don't understand. Why can't you kill him?
Obim, there's something. There is something I did not tell you before now. Igbo is useless against anyone who is in love with the victim of the other charm we used against Amarachi. And no other power can harm him as long as we or people working for us are involved in it.
Okay, then hire assassins to track him down and kill him physically.
Hey, what have you got me here? It seems you're not getting my point. Physically or spiritually, we cannot do anything against them. If we try it, we are doomed.
Hey. Yes, his father. His father. Yes. If you caused him a huge loss, I'm sure he will back off Amarachi. Do it.
That one too cannot work. You know, bossy. It's not possible. Let me tell you something. Anyone related to him by blood cannot be harmed by us now. Even the object of his love, Amarachi, is already enjoying the protection equally.
Baby, you can't let this happen. You can't. I'm sure that there must be some other way too.
I cannot do anything. Okay. The only thing we can do is manipulate Amarachi to make sure she doesn't fall in love with him too. Why we put our brains to work to scare him off with some kind of bluff? No.
This is not good. Just bluff.
Bluff.
And if he fails?
That is where we have problem. Hey. Only me.
With what Amarachi did today, is it not clear enough that she does not really want what you think you came to this country to give to her?
Want is different from need, Father. Fear may be driving her into believing she does not want all that I've been doing for her. But the truth is that she definitely needs it.
Ebuka, pack your luggage and return to your studies in Canada immediately.
No, Father. No. Not now.
With what he did to that useless and wicked man in his compound a while ago, he will definitely come after you with all he has. The only way you stand a chance maybe is to go back to Canada. Then I can go to him with our kinsman to beg him to spare your life.
Father. If with all that happened in that compound today, you've not realized that that buffoon has been bluffing with you guys, all in the name of possessing a charm from Ijebu, then it's quite unfortunate.
You think that is bluffing? You think a beautiful and a promising young lady like Chinonye willingly agreed to become his wife? You think she betrayed the family that gave her life the way she did is because she fell in love with a man who is old enough to be her grandfather?
Assuming I agree with you, Father, do you realize that Amarachi could also be a victim of the same charm he used on Chinoye?
What do you think the same charm will do to you if you continue to poke nose into the affairs?
I don't know. But I cannot give up because of the fear of the unknown.
It is not called fear of the unknown. It is called common sense. When did you become suicidal, for God's sake?
Father, I am not. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing will happen to me. I need your services tomorrow. There is something I would want you to do for me.
Which is?
Sue him. Yes. Sue Mr. Oguchi and I will...
Cut me off that fool! If you have made up your mind to die before your time, I have not! Arrant nonsense.
I pray I'm not fall for this bluff.
Fine. She will fall for it. Trust me. I know Amarachi now. She does not use her ears to hear anything about charm.
Really?
She will fall.
I am also worried about Ugo Mori's reaction at being used for such bluffs. That charm is way too mean.
I don't get it. Wait. I thought you told me that Igbogo Remori does not harm anyone who possesses it. Was that a lie?
No, it's not a lie.
Then let's do it. You don't expect us to fold our arms and do nothing, until the other plan matures. That is very risky. The stakes are really too high. We have to do something. Chineye, Uncle, you called? Yes. Baby, please.
Amarachi. Don't mention that thing here. Brother Jesus called Jesus ni. Now, Amarachi, put your hands inside this circle and repeat after me. I said, see, if you make me repeat myself, I will ask people to strike you dead here and now.
Chineye, you need to... Don't. If you call my name one more time, I'll tell my husband here to strike you dead instantly. It's simple. Just do as he says.
Put your two hands together and put it in between this line.
Just put it already.
Put your two hands together and put it in between the line. Wait.
Honey, I think it's time to strike her.
No,
Put your hands into this circle. Quick. Put it well. Get it very well. Good. Good. Now repeat after me. Oh, you go Mori.
Oh, Mori.
If I ever allow Ebuka come anywhere close to me again,
If I ever allow Ebuka come anywhere close to you again.
Conscieni. Moni, if I ever allow Ebuka come anywhere close to me again, you Amarachi.
No, Uncle, you said me. That is you now.
My friend she want to get me angry. You want to get me angry? Okay. Put your hand inside. Now repeat after me. If I ever allow Ebuka come anywhere close to me, Amarachi, again.
If I ever allow Ebuka come anywhere close to me, Amarachi.
Let Igbo strike me, Amarachi, with incredible madness. Go here.
Let's worry.
I had to go deeper into the forest for me to get enough. I wouldn't want them to send you here again anytime soon.
Wait a minute. I thought you said your father asked you to go and get firewood. Or you were getting firewood for your father.
Amarachi, the truth is that my father does not use firewood to cook. He uses gas stove. And it's not an evil man like your uncle and Chineye who send you here to come and fetch firewood almost every day, even though they have gas stove and do not need firewood. Only God knows how they sleep at night with evil in their hearts.
Well, like you said, only God knows.
Amarachi, what you told me about Chineye, is it true?
Well, unfortunately it is. She lost her pregnancy and she was told at the hospital that her reproductive system might not function well again. Meaning she might not be able to give birth again.
Wow. So, what really happened to her?
Well, maybe this time the spirits of my parents decided to rise against them and fight for me.
Wow. Well, I'm not a superstitious person, But if that was the case, then they are indirectly telling you that I'm doing the right thing fighting for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I'm taking this risk because you are human and you deserve better. Right? I've sued your uncle though.
Really?
Yes. Pack up, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't worry, let me handle it. Let me handle it.
How did you get this, please?
A court bailiff brought it to me a while ago.
What? So Ebuka went ahead to see you as he threatened? After I refused to do it for him? Oh God, what have I done to this boy? What have I done?
But it's to Goji. This is your red line for me. I have tolerated this boy all this while simply because you have been begging on his behalf. And it's out of the pity I have for you. But this time around, he has actually pushed me beyond my elasticity.
Oh, no.
I can't take it anymore.
No, Gucci, please. Don't try. Don't try.
See, let me tell you something. My coming here to inform you about this before I take the actions I want to take is my last act of mercy. Barrister, warn him, or better still, advise him to withdraw all the charges he is pressing against me and go back to Canada where he came from. If you don't want to carry his corpse. Yes.
Please, Oguchi, don't harm him, right? Don't harm him. I will make sure that this case is withdrawn immediately, right? And of course, I thank God that the barrister that he contracted is my best friend.
Oh.
Well, and he will leave this village immediately. I'm assuring you, this whole nonsense will be withdrawn and discharged.
Better.
Please,
it had better be. Nobody will say I did not give him enough space to save himself. Okay. God knows that since the painful miscarriage of my wife, I am no longer in the mood for all this nonsense. I'm no longer cut out for that. Warn him.
It's okay. It's quite pitiable, but count me on my words. He will listen to me. He's my son, Oguchi.
Talk to him.
But Oguchi, please, be on the soft pedal for me. This boy. Ebuka.
Osoma, please stop. Stop. Put yourself together. Just cheer up. Let me tell you, his father that I saw some moments ago will go to any length in forcing him to back off this time around. And the moment that is done, we will have every space to carry out our plans against Amarachi. What do you think?
If you will worry Mori cannot harm Ebuka, can he not at least restore my childbearing ability?
My dear, calm down. Calm down. You see, I was telling you about...
I heard what you said. That is not my problem. Don't you understand the dilemma I am in as a woman?
I do. I
Lost my child. And I...
Sorry. I'm equally pained as well. Don't you know what it takes to get a woman pregnant? You know the stress, the pains are passed through to get you pregnant. Come down. Climbing all this hill and coming down. It's not a child's play. Ozugo. To Muluti to Benye now, Bele.
No, evening. Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good day, sir.
Sir. Let's just go. Afternoon. Let's go.
Dad, you know the reason I'm leaving this village, right? Because of your promise. You vowed that you will liaise with Barrister Alieke to take up that case. I want that idiot prosecuted as soon as possible, please. Okay?
Be rest assured that I will do just that.
Thank you.
Thank you for convincing me at last that fighting for her is a noble and right thing to do.
Thank you too for allowing me to convince you. Alright? Please, I would love you to take care of her. Take care of her for my sake.
Thank you very much, Barrister. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
And to you too. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
You don't need to worry. You can always count on me for anything. Whatever thing he has done to you in the past few days, I will do many times over for your sake.
Thank you.
Oguchi's madness must stop very soon.
Thank you so much.
Trust me.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, I will drop the car with the dealer in Owerri. He will sell the car and transfer the money to him. He will use it to open an account for you, bank account for you.
Yes.
Yes. I will send him money to you monthly.
Monthly?
Yes.
No, you don't have to do that. That's too much. I don't want you to go through such stress. Moreover, you're still studying. You need money as well.
Don't worry yourself, okay? I know I'm still studying, but I will do anything for you, right? Moreover, I'm working part-time, so I'm fine. Don't worry yourself, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, take care.
Drive safely.
Dad,
I appreciate it. Drive safely.
I'll see you. I'll call you. Call you. Bye.
Drive carefully.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. It's okay. Let's go back to the house.
Otobo. It's me, Okocha, your cousin. The only one. Yes. Oh, what a wonderful man. Please, can you just help me remove this?
I will do that.
Marching and open the veil. Marching and open the veil. Please, can you help me also with it?
I will do
Let us go.
Okay.
Marching and open the veil. Home.
Yes,
home.
yes.
Marching and open the veil.
That's me. Yeah.
Marching and open the veil.
You're welcome to us. Yeah, back home.
Marching and open the veil. Marching and open the veil.
Utobo. Huh? Here we are. My compound.
Really?
Oh, yes.
This is your compound?
Oh, yes. You thought I was boasting when I told you I now own a mansion and the biggest produce trading firm in Acha and environs, which was originally owned by my younger brother before he died. Utobo, your good old friend is now Ogayangada. Baba Olowo, Kishi, Omo Baba Olowo, Baba Olowo for a Emini.
Ha! Marching and open the veil. This is your compound.
Oh, yes. My compound.
Marching and open the veil.
Hey!
What is it?
Anyway, that's by the way. I love this Panya style of handshake you taught me today. Utobo.
Yes.
I missed our days together as young men in this village. Honestly.
And we'll be having a lot of catching up.
Oh,
in
yes.
Days ahead.
Oh, yes, we will. Yes, we will.
My good friend.
Come and meet my precious wife.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, baby.
Marching and open the veil. Marching and open the veil.
Come and meet
Marching
my precious wife.
and open the veil.
Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. What are Odara, meet Utobo, my good old friend. Yes.
Welcome.
He's been in Panya since 32 years.
Oh!
Utobo, Onyeke, my precious wife.
What a beautiful woman.
Thank you.
Marching and open the veil.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, my dear. Utobo, come and sit down.
Marching and open the veil.
Hey, you, come here.
oh, sorry, sir.
Utobo, this is Amarachi, my younger brother's daughter.
Marching and open the veil.
And you, go inside. Go and get me that bottle of snap.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Glasses. Quick.
Marching and open the veil.
Utobo, my status may have changed, but my taste has not. Aromatic snap is still my best hot drink.
Same here. Same here. Marching and open the veil. Marching and open the veil.
And this much, what?
Marching and open the veil.
Wow. Arabena, umuju go mo do neni. Ichu mo go neni. What? You don't want to drink?
Is that question for me?
Yes. Let me pour for you.
Listen, Oguchi, my friend. It's like asking the housefly if it would like to perch on a decomposing corpse. I had to stop you because I consider it as an insult. Taking this heavily liquid inside this cup, it is an insult to the spirit inside it.
Ah. Eh? Utobo kwa mmanya ọkụ ka ị na-awụ n'afọ ihe a, ọ bụrụ ka mmiri nkịtị. Ọ kwa shinapụ. Oh.
Washi and open the veil.
Utobo.
Yes. Please, do you have more in the house?
Huh?
Is there more in the house? Get more, get more.
More? Did you say more?
My friend Ogochi, you are a rich man, are you not?
Yes, I am. Of course I am.
Yes, get more, get more.
Amarachi, please go and bring another bottle. I said go and bring another bottle.
And open the veil. Oh. Marchi and open the veil. Oh, Ogochi, is the drink coming from Congo Brazzaville?
Utobo, calm down. She will soon be here with it.
Marchi and open the veil. Marchi and open the veil. Marchi and open the veil.
Utobo, I guess that is the title they gave you when you did what you just did for us now in Panya.
No. Marchi and open the veil is an exclamation from my former girlfriend in Panya. When Mwa Otobo Wakborogo is on top of her, grinding her red pepper. Ogochi, that is a bedroom ringing tone. I can't quite remember what she said is the meaning. But for me, here and now, it means God bless my soul. Bless your soul. And this Ukubaraba.
What is the meaning of that? Are you stupid or something?
Hey, shut up. Don't mind how you talk to Tobo.
What a priest.
So? He's not online touching. Did he use cutlass on you? Come on, get inside. I said get inside.
Such soft, pretty bottom. Marchi and open the veil.
She's my younger brother's daughter.
A daughter. You've said that before. Is liking her a crime?
No, not at all.
Marchi and open the veil.
Do you like her?
Very much. In fact, I want to have her as my wife, if you agree. How about that?
Igwogwori Mori. You are very powerful indeed. Huh? So fast.
Hold yourself, please.
Marchi and open the veil. Marchi and open the veil.
Mazi, please just hold yourself. I'm tired. Eh?
Yes.
Let's go, babe.
Mochi and open the door.
Mazi, keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Yeah.
I will keep quiet, my love. My sweetheart. Yes.
See, I swear to God, if you as much as call me that name again, I will drop you here and go home. How many times have I warned you today alone not to address me like that? Eh?
Mochi and open the door.
Mommy, phone up and the
I'm sorry. I forgot. Let's go. Let's go, please.
Mazi, please hold yourself.
Mochi and open the door.
Ow! Jesus. Hi. God. Chinaya, God will punish the two of you for humiliating me this way. God will punish the two of you for forcing me to take this idiot home. Eh?
Tobo.
Idiot. Please just hold yourself. Let me pick up this cab. Hold yourself now. Yeah. Chimo. Jesus Christ. Hi. Please just move. Let me drop you in your house.
Mochi and open the door.
Shut up. Just keep quiet. Let me know what I'm dealing with.
Mochi and open the door.
Mazi, hold yourself now. Hold yourself. I'm tired now.
Mochi and open the door. Mochi and open the door.
Otobo, can you just keep short so that we can get to your house? We're here already. Save this energy, Biko.
Mochi and open the door.
Oh, Chimo.
Yes.
Otobo, move now. What is it? What? My good gracious.
Thank you, my love, for helping me back to the comfort of my bedroom.
Eh? Just shut up. Shut up. How many times have I warned you to stop calling me that? I have warned you. Stop calling me your love. Who is your love? Eh? Chimo. Otobo. Chiro. You're wetting yourself. Hi. Good gracious. So it is this wasted soul Uncle Gochi calls a friend. This thing. After the show of shame you put up in the house, they still forced me to bring you back home. Anyway, Amarachi shouldn't even be asking. Anything that would humiliate me is fun to them. I shouldn't be surprised. Idiot. Let me go. Jesus Christ. Let me go home and wash this thing off my body. Sleep there. Idiot.
Did you hear the sound?
Yes.
Wow. So succulent.
Thank you.
Uncle, you called me.
Yes, I called you. I called to tell you that my precious wife here and I have decided to grant your request to be allowed to learn a vocational craft. Yeah, hold on, I've not finished. Yes, pending when you go back to the university to complete your education. As soon as you make up your mind on what to learn, let us know so that payment can be made to whoever will teach you. and you start.
Hey, really?
Yes.
Hey, Uncle, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. You'll make heaven, Uncle. You are very good. You said you'll make heaven.
You will make heaven for me. Are you wishing me dead?
No, I didn't mean it that way. I was only just trying to show how grateful I am.
Have I finished enjoying these things and you're asking me to go to heaven? But now, this early.
Sorry, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Sorry. You're welcome. I have made up my mind on what I want to learn, Uncle. Yes, I want to learn bead making. There's a woman from Ozara community, our neighboring community I want to learn from. Okay. I've spoken to her about it already.
Okay, so how much is she charging?
She said I'll have to pay 40,000 naira for 2 months intensive training. Yes, but the money can be paid in installments.
Really? 40,000 naira. Okay. In that case, we're going to make bullet payments to her.
Sir?
I said we are going to give her bullet payment. That is...
You want to shoot her?
We're going to pay her once, no installments. Yes, and in addition to that, you'll be receiving 1,500 naira every day to cover up for your transportation and feeding.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you. Thank you, Chineye. Thank you very much. You all are very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't understand. If he wanted to kneel to thank, you can actually kneel to thank.
It's not a problem. Thank you. I should actually kneel.
I can stand up.
Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Let me check what I put on the fire.
See, this whole thing is out of the magnanimity of her heart that this is coming from.
God bless you too. Thank you.
What is it? What is it? Are you okay? Are you okay? What is it?
Oguchi is a beast, a dead devil. Hi.
What happened?
Oh,
Can you talk
Amarachi,
to me?
how do you cope living under the same roof with that beast?
Uncle, it's by the grace of God. What happened?
What happened?
Did he attack you?
Yes, the devil and the dog grabbed my testicles and nearly busted them. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
You know what? The only thing that will make me bear this pain and humiliation is to see both of you as husband and wife in no distant time. Hi.
Father, it's okay. Sorry, okay?
Amarachi, if you go back to that house, tell that beast that we are coming back in 5 days' time. For the wine carrying rights.
5 days?
Yes.
So quick?
Of course. You have been in that hell for too long. It's time to legally get you out of that shit. In 5 days' time. Do you have any objection, both of you?
No, Father. Please, let's go inside, okay? Let's go in.
No, my phone.
Your phone.